Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's deep dive into the fast-moving world of artificial intelligence tools. A huge shout-out goes to everyone who attended the LA Tech Week meetup last week, as it was incredible to connect with so many filmmakers and storytellers. Google just released VO 3.1, and after spending some time testing it, I found it offers a very solid polish over version 3.0. While it isn't an earth-shattering update, the improved model fidelity and the new workflow additions are definitely worth checking out. 3 specific features really stood out to me. The new ingredients tool, the first-to-last frame transition controls, and the in-place video inpainting. The ingredients feature acts like a clever fusion tool where you can merge multiple distinct images into one coherent, unified scene. I tested it by describing a man in a blue sweater in a city square, and it successfully generated multiple variations in under a minute. Are the faces perfect every single time? Not always, but if you need to iterate on concepts and mockups quickly, it is a very compelling workflow. The new frames-to-video upgrade is great for storyboarding because it creates a smooth, continuous camera move between 2 static images. I tried panning from a spaceship shot to a character portrait, and the resulting camera motion was surprisingly solid. Even more futuristic is the in-video editing, which lets you define a specific region of a frame and add new elements that persist across the clip. The compositing isn't flawless yet, but being able to modify footage like that without frame-by-frame rotoscoping is genuinely wild. Here is the reality though. Generative AI tools are excellent at creating new visuals, but they don't solve the problem of turning long-form content into social clips. If you have hours of interviews, podcasts, or lectures sitting on your hard drive, you need a different kind of engine to build an audience. This is exactly where a tool like Vizard comes in, because it is purpose-built to find your viral moments and turn them into ready-to-post clips. Think of it this way: Google VO and Runway are your production labs, but Vizard is your publishing engine. Runway has also been busy releasing new apps that give you plug-and-play workflows for specific tasks like stylizing images or removing unwanted objects. Their new Upscale app provides quality that is surprisingly close to professional desktop software, which is great when you are working with lower resolution source material. They also launched a node-based workflow system that lets you build complex, repeatable visual pipelines, which is a dream for anyone who loves procedural automation. Runway's workflows are undeniably powerful, but they can be a bit technical and are still primarily focused on generating raw content rather than distribution. If your goal is daily posting and consistent channel growth, a node graph won't help with the daily slog of social media management. That is exactly where Vizard's auto-editing, auto-scheduling, and content calendar systems provide a completely different kind of productivity. Imagine you recorded a 90-minute podcast interview and needed to pull out the best punchlines and emotional beats instantly. Vizard handles that heavy lifting for you, auto-generating multiple short-form clips, adding captions, and prepping them for your social media schedule. While Runway or VO helps you make a cinematic cut or stylized vignette, Vizard gets you a steady stream of clips without you needing to babysit the export queue. We also tested the new Crystal Upscaler that everyone is buzzing about, and it is very impressive at preserving texture while keeping human skin looking natural. Other tools are still great for batch processing, but Crystal is definitely worth testing if your specific pipeline requires lifelike upscale results. Moving to browser productivity, OpenAI shipped ChatGPT Atlas, an AI-first browser that integrates a chat sidebar directly into your web browsing experience. For storytellers, this is a game changer for inspiration workflows, allowing you to ask for prompts based on a reference image without ever switching tabs. It effectively smooths the entire journey from finding a reference to crafting a prompt and finally producing your creative assets. I also found that there is growing momentum in tools like Gambo, which lets you type a concept and generate a playable game prototype in seconds. It is delightful for quick brainstorming or exploring social content ideas, though it is not quite ready for a full-scale commercial game launch. If you are in the creator game, remember that live meetups and online office hours are still where the best serendipitous ideas happen. We have local meetups in various cities and an online Discord where creators constantly swap workflows and share their own custom templates. If you want to see how other creators are using Vizard to streamline their specific pipelines, that community is the best place to find real-world tricks. Before I wrap up, take a look at the latest AI films and music videos that are pushing the medium forward with complex movement and subtle sound design. These projects prove that generative visuals are moving past the novelty phase and into the realm of actual, powerful cinematic storytelling. If you are experimenting with AI for narrative work, study how these creators stage motion and use sound to sell true emotion to their audience. Finally, if you want a low-friction way to turn existing long-form content into a continuous pipeline of social media shorts, Vizard is worth your time. It won't replace your creative labs like Runway or VO when you need to invent shots from scratch, but it solves the daily grind of publishing. It allows you to find clips, edit them quickly, add captions, and schedule everything so you remain consistent without burning out. If you are building a channel with podcasts, live stream highlights, or product demos, definitely give Vizard a spin in your workflow. Pair it with your favorite visual tools for touch-ups and creative fills, and you will have a truly scalable production pipeline. That is it for this week's Roundup, but if you want to geek out about workflows or see some channel templates, drop a comment below. I am always happy to share my setups, and I will see you all in next week's video.